Why did you want to start working for yourself?
It had always been a dream of mine to branch out on my own. Hi, I'm Jazz Oden, and I'm the founder and CEO of Virtual Reality. We specialize in administrative and technical support. I remember being in corporate and having the opportunity to work remotely for a little bit. I noticed that I was more energized. I noticed that I was more productive. 2019 is when I decided to make my move into entrepreneurship. I use Microsoft products for just about everything to keep my business going. Excel for expense reports, PowerPoint presentations. I'm doing reports for my clients, so a lot of the times I'll use the dictate feature in Word, and that helps a lot so I don't have to type. It's a lifesaver. I just recently transitioned into Teams for client meetings.
How are you?
I like that Teams is familiar with some of the other apps that I've used. It's a place where you can centrally share files, share screen. Sometimes you need that when you need real-time information. As an entrepreneur, you have to still balance your own time. I can now balance family time, my time, and business. I love what I do. Some days it doesn't feel like work. It's a gift.